Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. If you're here with me in the Discord, in the YouTube, or in the X chat, which by the way is bugged. Can't even read any of the X chat anymore. I can't do the pop-out chat. What's up with that? Come on, Elon. Fix this stuff. What the heck is going on? Why can't I do the pop-out chat? It's so lame. Anyway, what's up, folks? Go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Big Kahuna, Rips Mod, Mike, Tomoki, Shane, Anita Lowe, Rips Mod, Corgo, Shane, G-Line, Shane, Danny, Double RC, Sean, good morning to you, Brian, Dan, Karen, A-Trays, Lulu, Stan, Cyrus, Plum, Tingles, Tiger Trader, Rhett Berg. What's up, Silent NW, Fat Guy SW, Frank Coco, Jose, National, Sadek, Kelvin, Big Sexy, Luna. Good morning to you, Cash Jack, Nick, Brian, Dan. What's up, Alexander, Manny, PB, consistently live on micros, Jack, Dr. Phil. What's up? I need Celsius, hold on. Anybody catch that beautiful drop? I didn't. I was just brushing my teeth when that happened. I missed that beautiful drop. Thing looked delicious. Like 200 points, right? More? No, not 200 points. What am I saying? 100 points. Over 100 points. Rips get us 90% of Apex for Easter discount plus, how about 80%? That's what I could do. I could do 80% for you if you want. What's up, Ferrari Phil, Exit Strat, Spazzrick, good morning. Spazzrick, you're up early. Or wait, no, I'm thinking of somebody else. You're usually here on time. Can we get a 99% off for Tradify? Lamau. How about 30% off? Does that work? 30%, I can do that. What's up, Mox? Let me see here. I was trying to see if the payout window thing is working on Tradify. Let me see. It says payout's currently closed. Isn't that the 21st? What's going on? The heck? I want in. Let me in. What's up with that? I know Europe is closed, but what does that have to do with Tradify payout windows? Come on. I want it. Wait, what was I just gonna check? I was just bring up something. Oh yeah, this. Opens at 8:59 Eastern. Oh, well, that makes a lot more sense. All right, now let's stop complaining about it. Okay, I'll wait. See, I should know these things. Hopefully we can take a payout live together on air here. That could be lovely. You can get paid out more than twice a month, I think. Let me see. Yeah, there's 3 payout windows. Got a good trade last night on Globex, $360. Nice. There you go. Can we check gold? Sure. I don't see why not. Got the chart up, yeah. New highs. Ooh-wee. Dollars down, gold up. 10-year yield up. Feeling pretty bearish in here. First, please say good luck to my buddy Todd. Oh, hubby. What's up, Todd? Todd Horam? Good luck, man. Hopefully you have a very lucky day today. Caught the short at 1:05 a.m. held into the morning drop here up 2,400. Let's go, baby. 1 NQ. Tatan says, today I did the same stupid shit as always. Thursday got a payout from TopStep. Today I'm pretty close to blowing it up. What makes you do that? Knock it off. Look at this magical line. Holding. This was drawn before this even interacted with this. I'm just sad that I missed all the good stuff. I was very tempted to trade actually when I was sitting at the poker table yesterday, and then I stopped. Yesterday's session was insane. For the group that we had yesterday, I've never seen such a Sunday play out like that. It was, chips were flying. People were upset. It was insane. A lot of big pots too. What NQ contract are you trading today, Rips? I mean, the same one we trade every day. NQ futures. We're certainly not going to be trading anything past the June contract, because that's the front month. You know, I was supposed to go to the Vegas Golden Knights playoff game yesterday, but we didn't end up going because my buddy, his chick was under the weather, and I can't get sick. I got a stream to do, so I try to avoid that. How many people out there, you know, if you get sick, you're like, you know what? F everybody else. I'm going out and I'm doing my thing. I'm already sick. Who gives a f? I'm not like that. Me personally, if I'm like, oh, I'm sick, I'm like, I'm going to stay home. I don't want to get other people sick. That's the first thought I have. I don't really understand the other thing. There's some people out there that are like, yeah, you know what? I'm sick, so it's already happened to me, so f it. I'm just going to go out. Hey, Rips, are we able to see your morning memo on Thinkorswim? Yes. It was under something else now, so I mean, it's still there, but the easiest way to find is go to Thinkorswim. I'm logging in right now. That's ignorant? I know. It's super ignorant. Super duper ignorant. All right, so if you open up Thinkorswim and you go to the SPY and then you go to the news tab, markets were open on the 17th. So if we scroll back to like the 17th, let's see here. Is it still there? Let's see. Yeah, okay, so go to like the 17th in Thinkorswim under SPY, go to news, and then it says 4/17/25, April 17th, 2025 at 9:08 a.m. Eastern. It says how to trade SPY and top tech stocks as March housing starts fall 11.4%. Boom, there it is. There's the morning memo. That's juicy. That's dope. I love it. There you go. It doesn't get released the same time as when the Discord folks get it, and it also doesn't include the NASDAQ or the S&P levels, but hey, it's free. Can't beat that. But yeah, so she was sick. We didn't want to get sick. My wife and I didn't want to get sick. I just got over being sick like 2 weeks ago. And it's just horrible. I mean, we were trading well, but it's just horrible. I don't want to be sick. I want to hang out with you folks. By the way, Rips, that green line is exactly where my monthly VWAP's sitting right now. How did you get to be published on Thinkorswim? Buddy, have you ever seen me trade? What kind of question is that? No, I write good stuff. I mean, that's pretty much it. I got approached. And, yeah. It is what it is. Good quality content. Consistent, good quality content. You know what I mean? Got approached like, what, 2 years ago? 3 years ago? They're like, hey, we want your morning memo to be everywhere. It goes out to all the brokerages. I was like, okay, that's cool. You gonna pay me for it? Nope. Okay, all right, whatever. Just call Brett. I mean, I could. I was texting him over the weekend. Yeah, we got 45 more minutes until we can start asking for that payout there. Yeah, so I think, like, you know, if you're going to get other people sick, something wrong with that. Well, let's see what this is trying to say. Hold on one second. What is this thing trying to say to me here? How do I... There we go. 6,800. Interesting. Got it. Okay, well, I'll do that another time. Hold on, let me try to dock this window now. There's a new update to OBS. Hold on. Why is this thing... How do you redock a window? Super annoying. In OBS. I guess that works. There we go. Are you getting payout to LLC? Maybe. Who knows? Maybe I get to an LLC. Maybe I get it to myself. Maybe I get it sent to your mom's bank account for a little payment for last night. Who knows, man? Who cares whatever I do? You know? I'm a new subscriber, so please pardon my questions. What time do you begin to trade? Sometimes never, you know? Sometimes we do it never. I wait for setups. When a setup looks juicy, I attack it. Like a wild jungle cat looking for a piece of gazelle. You know? Aren't we all just kind of wild jungle cats out there looking for a little piece of that gazelle? You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's all of us. You know what I mean? We're just all like, deep down inside, just a couple jungle cats looking for a little taste of that gazelle meat. You know You know what I'm saying? That's how I look at life. Wake up in the morning, jungle cat vibes. What's your social also and date of birth? 7. Obviously. Everybody knows that. If it wasn't Vegas, where are some places you would consider living? I mean, everywhere I have lived has been wonderful, but Vegas is where I'm meant to be right here and now, baby. 60% of the time it works every time. It sounds like that sound, doesn't it? 90% according to Tradeify? Maybe. I don't know. Thanks for the advice and guidance on X yesterday. If you got DM'd, it probably wasn't me. What was it one of my shorts that was posted? If somebody messaged you on Twitter, it probably wasn't me. The one-click trading. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's easy. There's a lot of people who ask me that question about my executions. How am I getting out in and out so fast? A lot of times it's just market orders. The market's moving. Like the market's dropping. Do some drawings here. If the market's going down like this, I can put it in passive limit or, intercepting that price action. If the market's like kind of doing this whole thing and I'm not really sure where it's going to go, I'm going to market out of that. Like if I'm short from here, I can just market buy, get out of it. There's some people who trade different where it's like, they're short from here and they set a limit order here and they never touch it. And sometimes market will go like, and they'll be like, I never got filled. Well, press the button. HR spams bots today? For sure, man. HR spams bots today. For sure. I agree. You're telling me that wasn't you who promised to double my Bitcoin? It was, but no, definitely was not me. Definitely not. Bear Pennant on SPY played out Friday, 518 break. What's up, Yomar? Thanks for the $2. Really appreciate you. How'd you run over the weekend? Very good. I was stuck yesterday. I started my day stuck. It was a fun session yesterday, but I started my day stuck. And with like the first 5 minutes. Big hands too. You ever watch Ling Lin play? I love playing with Ling Lin. She's a real treat. She's a wonderful woman. And I sat down and I had ace 10 suited. This is like in the first 5 minutes. I had ace 10 suited. And flopped the dream. Ace 10 7. Ace 10 7. I'm like, oh, that's the world. 2 spades. I have ace 10 of diamonds. Maybe I can actually let me see if I can do something where I can actually show this. I mean, there's got to be like something where I can show me like a board or something without doing like the odds or whatever. I guess this could work. And that's still too. Let's try this. There we go. All right, so I had ace 10. The flop was, that's not what I want. This down here. Let's say, looks something like, what did she have? I'm trying to think. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's what the flop was. Anyway, we got it all in. And this is what she had. So, I mean, I wasn't like a huge favorite. But we ran it twice. And she hit both boards. 100K pot. Right out of the gates. first board, she hit a freaking 8. Just like that. And the second board, I didn't double pair. I didn't make a full house. Second board, she hit the 3 of spades. Ugh. Ugh. Lost both boards. We ran it twice. Lost both boards. Very next hand, you know, she doubles through me. Very next hand, I look down at this. Player opens like 3,000. I make it 8,000. They jam. They got 40K effectively. I snap call. What do they turn over? Oh. 2 boards, no ace. That was my start to yesterday. Oh boy. Yeah, that was my start to yesterday. But then, oh boy, I don't know, like 3 hours later in the day, I got dealt that. And the flop came out and it was boop, boop, boop. That came out. It was, there's 25K in the pot effectively. And I'm sitting there with that. And we're playing stand-up game too. So the flop came out and I was in early position. There's 4 people behind me. 25K in the pot. I open for 18,000. And the person to my left is a player that I actually have a hand that's been publicized. 100K pot at Poker Go. Good friend. Great poker player. I love playing with him. Sean is his name. He's a cowboy. And he ends up calling 18,000. Players behind all fold. And then the turn comes out. And then it's that's on the turn. We don't know what he has still. But I have a good idea. We're playing stand-up game. I bet on the turn here, I bet $45,000. He looks down at his chips and like he's playing like 200 behind. And he ends up calling. And like, I'm kind of like, okay, he's the kind of guy who like calls down anything, right? He calls down anything if he has a pair. He's not going anywhere. And in my head, I was kind of like, oh, I'm trying to represent ace king. And then when he called on the turn here, I was like, oh no, he has ace king. This is bad. There's very few cards that I can get him off the river with, right? So he calls a huge turn bet, 45,000. There's 25, 36, about 110,000 in the pot right now. And then the dealer burns a card, and in my head, I'm like, it's Easter. Let me rise. Give me something. Please, God, give me something. No, wasn't praying for it, but kind of was. The river, pink. Oh. Ah. I reach for a nice little stack of flags. Carve out 60,000. He looks at me very dirty. Flicks in a black chip to call. I table my hand and he turns over. Boop. Brah. Got him. So that was my bounce back hand, and that was like way later in the session. So that was awesome. That was a good day of poker yesterday. So poker story time. Fun stuff. Did he tilt? He wasn't very happy about it. He actually won a hand like 2 hands like, oh yeah, he did tilt. He bluffed the out of somebody after that. I mean, it was a semi-bluff. He had a pair of 7s on a very wet board. The board was like king, queen, ace, 7, 4. And he had 7, 6 offsuit. But he won. He got the bluff through. And that put the other guy on tilt. Yesterday was like a very tilted Sunday. It was insane. Oh, goody. Discord's down again. Oh, boy. I don't know what it is. We just can't win. don't get it. I don't understand why we can't win with the Discord today. Let me try this again. Yeah, I don't know. Discord doesn't want to stream anymore. I don't really understand what's going on here. Let me try to restart Discord. Give me a second. Ever since we started tweaking it, kind of annoying. Anybody long off that beautiful green line, by the way? Where's Ripsmod? Ripsmod, do the command for Discord. That's how you join. Oh, let's see. There we go. We're back. I had to restart my Discord. Does everybody see me? Are we back? Cool. Is it clear quality? I think I found out what the issue is. I'm gonna have to change this. Hold on 1 second. Do. All right. I think we're suited and booted now. Dope. Cool. What's a green line? It's been a big level of resistance over the past few days. So we've just been using that to our favor. We don't have any news today because the European markets are closed. We do have news at 10 a.m. We have Goolsby, who's going to be yapping right now. Goolsby should be live on CNBC right now. What price is that green line? Is it not clear? 83 3/4. Haven't traded my personal yet either. I almost took a trade when I was writing the memo and I was like, I don't want to mess up my perfect month. Still nothing, right? Ceros across the board. Ceros. I'm waiting for Goolsby to start yapping so I can put some trades on my take profit account. It's what I really like to do. Put some dang trades on. Also, I gotta trade these Apex accounts too. Keep forgetting. I really need to. Too many accounts. So little time. I want to be hitting $1 million payout there. Market does look like it's actually picking up a little bit off these lows here. But it's very slow and grindy. It's not like it's fast-paced or anything. Blurry here? You know what I need to do? Give me 1 second, actually. Don't go anywhere, and let me see if I can fix this, actually. If it's blurry, I think I might know what the issue is. Give me 1 second here. Momentito. All right. Is that better? That should be better now. That should be mucho mejor, I would think. I don't know. Nobody's giving feedback, so maybe it's not. But that should be much better. I'm not getting like errors now. Okay, cool. Sweet. Mucho mejor. Sweet. Yeah, I think I was juicing it a little bit too hard. Sometimes you juice it a little bit too hard. You know what I mean? Sometimes the juice is loose. Sí, hombre. Richard Harris says, boom, money. Sorry, buyers. I love you, Richard. You're funny. It's clear numbers are too small for these old peppers. Peepers. We rejected at those 130s, which was almost the previous 4-hour low. Very grindy price action right now. I wonder if there's going to be anything that Goolsby says that can bring this market out of the muck. Told you my plan at 52.57. I believe you, buddy. That's why I love you. Very enthusiastic about your trading. I'm looking for anything that I could trade here. I think we're probably going to have to wait for 9 a.m. Bro's a whole signal check. That's funny. I wonder if this has arrived yet. Has anybody tried out that new Celsius flavor, the sparkling mango lemonade? I've never seen it before. I feel like it's a new flavor. Maybe it's gonna be trash. I hope it's not horrible. But it looks like a new flavor. And it looks delicious. Retro's best. Dude, that's what I'm saying. This stuff is like, I don't know what they put in this. Dude, what the focus? I see I'm behind, but like, come on. Do the thing. Come on. Wow. It's just like locked in on my dome. Celsius can cause a heart attack. Well, tell it to hurry up. Because I trade on this stuff. You know what's lame too is that I can't see XChat anymore. Let me see real quick if I could change that at all. You know what I'm sick of too on X is like every single time you make a post, there's literally like a billion. It doesn't load. Yeah, chat is working. I just can't pop it out in a second window. That is correct. All right, Goolsby's finally talking. Thank God. Something. Give me something, dude. Come on. Give me the juice, baby. Ribs is just me talking to myself in X chat. Where's everybody else? What's going on with that? Celsius heat has 300. Yeah, I have some Celsius. I forget what it's called. Let me see. The one that I just ordered is like Celsius Purate. Essentials. That's the one. They got so many different brands of, but the Essentials one. It's got 270 milligrams of caffeine. That's the good stuff right there. Delicious. Julius says, good morning. Hold on. Trade a little bit, but I've locked up as I'm in the hospital visiting my dad. Well, happy to hear that. Not happy to hear about your dad in the hospital. Hopefully everything's okay. Short run inflation expectations are up. That's Goolsby. He is a voting member of the Fed. Austin Goolsby. That's my guy right there. I don't know. These haters are trying to hold us back here. I don't get it. These haters out here are trying to hold us down. Everywhere we're streaming, they're trying to hold us down. Can't believe it. We're back though. We are still pushing a little bit. We're right here at that previous 4-hour low. I wonder if we can crack it open. So Goolsby says, short run inflation expectations are up, but market-based longer run still well anchored. Easy happening. It says something it just said something very good about tariffs. Everything is always on the table, but we're supposed to be steady hand on the markets. Okay. We just broke above that previous 4-hour low. That was kind of the overhead resistance there. Ropes, anyone ever come in here and just told you their whole tragic life story unsolicited and just left you baffled, dazed, and confused? Not really. I don't think so. Goolsby said, we need to wait it out so we can figure out what to do. We're creeping right now. Looking for that NASDAQ trade. What is this music? This is like the trade stalking music right here. We're looking for something very spicy. Was there news? Goolsby is speaking, my friend. I want to see how hard we pull back off that little papacito. Born in a small town. I was born in a small town. I wonder if we're going to hold these 140s. S&Ps are kind of flirting with 5260 right now. We have given up that whole dipacito. Have inside bars never ever been a part of your trading strategy? Yeah, usually when you're inside of the bars. That's when you're getting pretty sauced up. No, not really. I just price action order flow. I'm sure you could probably translate to what I'm seeing inside bars, outside bars, the strat, all that stuff. I'm just seeing if we're gonna hold back at above these 140s right now. Yeah, the strat. Rest in peace to Rob Smith, I think was his name. Good dude, very helpful, very nice person. Rest his soul. Just want my 8 ticks looking sus. Yeah, I don't know about this one. It's just grindy. Gotta wait for that 9 a.m. price action, I think. Play Numb by Linkin Park. Wish I could play copyrighted music. It'd be lovely. Oh, snap. Did anybody watch F1 over the weekend? Wow. How about that? Yeah, Rob was a very helpful dude. He was a real one. He didn't charge for anything, right? He was just like out there trying to help people. He had his daily market reports and went over all the tickers for the day. Crazy F1 this weekend. The heck was Lewis Hamilton doing? What was that? The heck's he doing? Buddy's kind of soft. I'm a better driver. All right, there's that pop back above those 140s. I wonder if it's gonna hold. We got resistance at like 145. He was just talking about doing early cuts for the Fed to do early rate cuts, and he said, we'll see. There's your pop for that one. Yeah, they're still yapping right now. There's a lot of back and forth in this slow and grindy market. Big SF fan, hate Hamilton. Tell him go back. Go back to the old team, bro. Why did SF pick him up anyway? Dude can't get a podium to save his life. I guarantee you there's some Hamilton fans in here. Money, I know. I feel like his ego is what was his initial downfall, right? I have a funny Lewis story. He yelled at me when his LaFerrari leaked online before he had seen it yet. Ooh. Oh, you're a Hamilton fan? Okay. Stop. Stop. Wait, Lewis Hamilton is 40? Is he? No, he's not. Stop. There is no way. What? Wait, what? I thought that receding hairline was just like... Dude, he's... What? I didn't think he was that old. That's like a mind blown right now. Yeah, he should not be racing, dude. That's insane. I thought he was way younger. Yeah, no wonder he can't get a podium. Yeah, I guess you're right. Alonso is 43. You're right. Am I trading the NQ M5? Yes. That's right. Yes, indeed. Agreed about his ego. I know it's not everything, but Mercedes 100% had the best car for years. 100%, dude. Yeah, it was. I think it was ego. He played the celebrity. He was more focused on being the celebrity versus the driver that he used to be. I don't know. That's my take on things. I don't, I already, sure I'm going to get slaughtered for that take, but you know what I mean? I can't believe he's 40. Dude, I was way off. I'm like, dude's like 32. Dang, he's old. He's got to get out of that car. He's going to kill himself. You got to stop, dude. Reaction time at 40 is like way too slow. Come on now. Like, what are you doing? No wonder Ferrari picked him up and got him on the cheap. All right, we'll get your golden years for a couple bucks. Oh goodness. I'm talking here and I pulled a muscle pouring my coffee this morning. Should not be racing at 40. That's terrifying. That's just terrifying. F1 drivers doesn't matter that much. It's all in the car. Dude, stop it. Dude. Oh, that's got to be the worst take of the morning so far. It's all in the car? Are you insane, dude? Come on. Yeah, I know Alonso is 43. I know. It's all in the car. Go drive one, dude. Oh, come on. All in the car. You're insane. It's all in the car, bro. Yeah, it's all in the car for sure. Ferrari's where champions go to die. Stop. You talking about too old at 40 makes me feel dead. I'm 61. Well, dude, not an F1 driver. Come on. You gotta be very sharp. The young bucks, they're the ones who are crushing. How old's Leclerc? How are you? Dude, see? Chucky's only 27. Come on, meow. Did I say something funny, meow? Chucky's only 27. That's the big difference. That's why he's getting a podium and Hamilton's not. He's got that forearm strength. Is Max 27? Verstappen. He is 27 as well. They're getting up there though. Max has been... Dude, I can't believe Leclerc is 5'11" though, by the way. I guess Max is around the same height too. They're like right around the same, I think. Hamilton's like 5'5". He's shrinking. Average age to retire from professional motorsports is 37. That's why, like, what is Hamilton doing? It's crazy town. Watch Ferrari versus Ford on the weekend. Great movie. Worked at Ferrari in 2004. What did you do for Ferrari? We got a Ferrari Phil who worked for Ferrari or still does. Raikkonen? Yeah, Raikkonen was sick. Never too old to trade though? Yeah, that's one of those good things. Trading, tennis, pickleball. You can do it till the day you die, baby. SFB moving the pedals towards Hamilton. He's shrinking, I feel. He just keeps getting shorter and shorter. We are 10 minutes away from the top of the hour there. Was a 6-week stint implementing a CRM system. I was on the tech side. Nice. Yeah, rest in peace to the Pope. Pope Francis, I think, right? Pope Francis. How old was he? He passed at the age of 88. Wow. Yeah, he's been Pope for a very, very long time. Who was before him? I don't know why I can't remember that right now. Benedict, thank you. Yeah, that's crazy. It's wild, like the day after Easter too. It's so wild. Rips, I'm sorry, I bet this gets asked constantly. What is the levels indicator used for the lows and highs? Right here. Okay, Goolsby just said rates are going to be lower 12 to 18 months from now. Well, they're obviously having that discussion. It's kind of funny how they just kind of say that. Like rates are going to be lower 12 to 18 months right now. What if the economy booms, bro? Yeah, Benedict, and then when I was younger, I think it's John Paul II was before Benedict. Pretty sure. He is a voting member. Okay, so Benedict. Goolsby. Goolsby is done speaking right now. Have you ever traded with Top Step? No. Who's Top Step? Never in my life. Does trade file allow South African traders? I don't know. That's a good question. I have no idea. Oh, nice. We're back to regular margins at Dorman. They changed them. Nice. I had no idea. Let's see. When is the next meeting? Is May 7th, I think. Let me see. 2 Wednesdays from now, right? Yeah, 2 Wednesdays from now. The next meeting. We have a 12% chance of a cut. Top Step is just another prop firm. Dude, I got to check them out. Thank you for a recommendation. Sounds cool. Top Step. What a cool name. Got to check them out sometime. Good morning, Rips. Are you ready to rip this market? Yeah, sure. I mean, if you are, I'll do it if you are. You go first, though. I'll do it first. Or you do it first. I feel like such an insider. I mean, dude, it sounds cool. Never know. All right, I'm going to take a quick little restroom break. Be back in 30 seconds. Don't go anywhere. Oh baby, we are back. You know, I just realized something. We've officially graduated to the next stage from... We graduated from, why aren't you on Top Step TV anymore? To, hey bro, have you ever heard of Top Step? That's awesome. That's good stuff right there. The next evolution, baby. That's sick. I like the new version better. That's so good. White Claw or High Noon? Neither. This is hold on, I'm too drunk to read this. Oh, this is Jose Cuervo. Jose Cuervo Cooler. Can you lose your live account on purpose and then get 5 accounts again? I mean, they could probably ban you for that. Boom, boom, boom. My Funded Futures has a deal right now. Starter plan, $82 a month. Pass in 1 day, no activation fee, 5 days of $100 minimum, get paid in 1 day. 82 bucks. Code RIPS. Interesting. Rips, you gonna make deals with Funded Futures Family and Top 1 Futures? I never traded on them before. I only have people that I've traded with. Hey Rips, you have code RIPS on Phidias? I've never used them before, so no. Rips, do you need glasses? Probably. US dollar is now used in nearly 50% of global payments, the highest level in more than 12 years per Macrobot. I don't know, China's probably going to restrict usage. China's got a lot of our debt. Trillions. This reminds me, there's a video game that had a song like this. I'm trying to think if it was like Nintendo or Super Nintendo. Let's see here. Trying to see if I can get the the Rise payments thing. All right, there's your 9 a.m. injection of zero liquidity, basically. Ding, 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 ding. Has everybody signed up with Rise before? This is like a headache and a half. This thing is so annoying. Like, I signed up as Rise, and then it's like, hey, you want to sign up your company? I'm like, yeah. And then they're like, all right, here, send us a Bible full of paperwork. Like, ugh. Ugh. This is so annoying. What is this crap? How annoying. I should have just like signed up as my personal, but then they're like, hey, sign up your business too. I was like, okay, this should be easy. Just kidding. Ugh. So annoying. They need so much crap. I can't believe that, like, I was like, oh, Rise is great. You get paid so fast. It's like, yeah, but at what cost? You had to email them and say you chose the wrong option? This is so annoying. Like, I love how their system doesn't even have that. How stupid is this? I think that should be it. Yeah, that one. It says we're checking your data. Cool. Ugh, how annoying is that? At least the market's not doing anything without us. Well, it looks like I'm not going to get my payout today. That's annoying. I hope I can make the payout window in time. Buy gold is clearly a legend opportunity. Oh, look, I can do this thing now. What's the payout I request? 3,000? Request payout? Wait, or do I do 35? Wait, how much am I supposed to request? 3,000 or 3,500? 3,000, right? For the first payout? 3,000, okay. Thing is spinning right now. Okay, processing. 3,000. Request payout. I'm requesting all my payouts right now in Tradeify. I'm doing it on 5 accounts, so. Hopefully this works. Is that thought I was signed up with Rise already. I mean, I tried to sign up like last week, and then it's like, it was giving me a headache. And I was like, I'll do this another time. I was like, oh, Rise is great. Instant payments. Like, yeah, but you gotta do all this crap. It's annoying. All right, we are coming back down here. Wow, what a drop from 130 there. All right, I've requested 5 payouts here. Where's the thing? There we go. Processing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there we go. We are requesting $15,000. We'll get $13,500 from that. Sweet. All right, we came down to those hundreds. I wonder if it's actually going to break these hundreds now. Payout's going to hit your account before the stream is over. Dude, I don't have Rise. Like, this stupid freaking thing. We're checking your data. It can take up to 1 working day. Like, dude, just... How stupid is this thing? Rise. Ever heard of ACH? No? Yeah, I don't like all these companies asking for your financial information. It's just annoying. Back in my day, we used to do ACHs and wires. We didn't have any fancy pants Rise crap. I mean, dude, I did this stupid thing and they're like, hey, let's do your business. I was like, cool, let's do my business. And they're like, okay, send us a blood sample. What would you name your first daughter? What street did you grow up on when you were 15 years old? And then what street was it when you were 11 years old? Huh? Can I just have my money now? Like, what? So stupid. How stupid. I have a bank account. This is the wire detail. Right there. This is it. Send me money. Try taking cash out of the bank. What do you think I do? Take cash out to fund poker sometimes. Like, ask you what you do. They know me. My bankers all know me. Try to see if they'll pay you in Bitcoin. Dixie's probing 3-year lows right now. Insane. Yeah, I don't know about this Rise crap. We'll see. However long. I had a wire coming to my bank. It was held until I told them where it came from. Dude, I mean, I do a lot of commerce. Like, I would just rather just get wires. ACHs, just standard stuff. All these freaking stupid things. Venmo, Cash App, PayPal. How about a wire? Yeah, we are starting to roll over a little bit here. I want to see if we can hold underneath these hundreds. If we can, then I'm going to be targeting 83 off these lows here. I'd really like to see that. I actually got to put a stop like right there. Up. Like thusly. I just want to see if we can continue this nice little roll down to like 83 or so. Dude, it's doing this thing where it copied one account off. This is so weird. Only Take Profit does this. It's so strange. One account is copied like $5 different from the other ones. How weird. Only Take Profit does this. Doesn't happen with Tradeify or Apex. Very, very strange. Crypto way less expensive than wire fleas? What are wire fleas? You mean fees, but I mean wire fees are...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Depends on who you bank with. I don't have any fees for any of my wires. You want your $5? Can we grind a little bit lower here? That's what we're looking for. Just a touch lower on this grind. Starting to pop up a little bit. Kind of want to try to add into this if we hold underneath 105. We should have some algorithms turning on in about 5 minutes here, which will be lovely. And once again, still one of my accounts is different than the others. So weird. We need to break below, what is this stupid bid that keeps popping up? 95s. We need to break below 95s here, and this thing will get spicy. There are people who are trying to short this. This music is driving me nuts. What is this crap? There we go. What was that? I was gonna lose my mind off that music there. That's much better. So we're still hanging underneath the Monday low here. We just have to break through this 95 area, which we're going for now. There's so many bids underneath though. It's making this a little bit annoying, but I think we can potentially break through. Pretty confident. Okay, stepping up a little bit here. How high do we pop? Right there is a good area to start adding back a little bit more, especially if we break below 100 here. Like right now. Can we break a little bit lower? Watching. Show me back below hundreds here. We had that little pop back up underneath 95, so I want to see the rejection here to lead us lower. And we should have that. Right here. Should drift. Like Uncle Cracker. Drift away. Just underneath those hundreds. Thinking about the song Drift Away. That's why I thought about Uncle Cracker. Go on. Don't be shy. You know you want to. A lot of overhead supply here still. This is where all of the point of control is kind of wrestling up against. So, if we get this little break, then it should start to yammer on down. Just below hundreds here. We're just hoping that we don't tag like 135s first. That's what we're hoping for. So just show me this tuck and roll underneath hundreds and it should start to give us the juice. Targeting like 87 halves. If we can actually tuck below that ever so slightly. You can see there is a lot of overhead supply into those 110s. A lot of overhead supply there. Show me the tuck underneath hundreds without those bids, please. There you go. And just roll it through 95, and then we can all go home happy. I keep messing around these hundreds here. Show me through 95. A little bit more. There's a big old iceberg bidder right there that we just have to break on through. He's hungry. He's got a lot to fill there, surprisingly. Might have to do this actually. Just fill a little bit of a taster's choice. They're getting cantankerous below these hundreds, I think. And we got one more contract. We'll take that down. All right. Whatever. Wrestling around those hundreds. Kind of annoying. I'm going to wait for 925. I got to be patient. Once again, one of my accounts is $10 off. And they're still feathering right around these 95s. Thing is that it can pop right back up at 920. It's the only thing that we have to watch out for here is like once 920 comes on, it can get spicy. Just drifty right now. We're going to be dealing with some very grindy tape today, I feel. Still nothing back from Rise. Shocker. Wait, payout was approved, but now it's only showing one account was requested. I don't know, whatever. I'll wait for Rise to work. So 87 has a lot of liquidity sitting there. There's also an iceberg that's trying to front run that, so we'll have to see what happens here at 9:20 a.m. Yeah, overseas markets are closed right now. That's why it's so lame. Hopefully the open gives us something much better to trade here. It's going to take them 3 days to verify your bank account? Well, that's lovely. Let me try to request these other payouts then, because it's not showing up as the other ones were requested. Okay. Do that again. Hopefully I don't have to do each of these again, one by one. Is Rise like, do they offer to pay you in crypto too? That's probably why people like them so much. I just refreshed and it says, oh wait, there we go. What? You can only do one at a time. What is this? Like, why is it doing this? Why is it saying I can only do one at a time? What the heck is going on? I don't know, maybe I'm bugging their system or something. I don't think you can do multiple requests at once. That's probably what it is. Doom, 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 doom. My funded futures right now is pass in 1 day, no activation fee, 5 days of $100 minimum, get paid in 1 day. Starter plan, $82. Code RIPS. You can use it 3 times. If you use it more than 3 times, it won't work anymore. Code RIPSy, rips, 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 rips. Code Ripsy, baby. Or just Rips, sorry. Don't try to put in code Ripsy. Rips! Hey, look at it. The market's popping back up. All right, cool. Now all of my payout requests have been received. Sweet. There we go, baby. All right, now I just gotta wait for this stupid Rise thing. God, I hate Rise. How dumb is this? And it's like, just do the personal. Like, I don't want to do the business thing. Just do the personal crap, idiots. I'm having trouble. Other. Just freaking. When your onboarding system is really bad, like, dude, I need help. Sir Rips, if I got a 5,000 profit on Top Step in 2 days, can I withdraw it or have to wait till 5 winning days? 5 winning days. Doop, 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 boo, doop, boop, boo, doop. All right. Now I opened up a chat support with Rise, so we'll see if we can do that. This is like elevator music, y'all. Oh, get better taste in music. What do you want to listen to? Brick Code Banger, you tell me. What's gonna be not elevator music hell for you, bud? You tell me. What would you like to listen to? Go ahead. Tell me. Notice they went silent. The Sound of Silence by Depeche Mode? I can't play that. Market's still doing nothing in this consolidation zone, which is lame. Ah. How long does it usually take you to pass eval and get funded accounts? The last time I was in an eval for 18 months. I have yet to get a payout. I've never received a payout before, but I'm trying every day. But I had an eval. It took me 19 months to pass. And then I got 1 day in funded, and then I blew the account. And so we're trying it again today. But no, I've never gotten a payout before. The goal is I want to get a payout for $100, and then I want to put that into an account, and I want to trade micro Bitcoin. That is the goal here. That's what I'm trying to do. That's the whole purpose here. I just want $100, baby. If I could get $100, my life would change. Can't even imagine what I'd do with $100. I have no idea. I don't know what I'd do with myself. Never seen a $100 bill before. I've heard about them. I've seen pictures of them online. But one day, we'll see. Are the 1-2 tables dreamy? Dude, I can't afford 1-2. Come on. If you had to give up poker or trading, life or death, which one are you leaving behind? Dude, I can't make that choice. Tell me which one of your kids is your favorite. Micro corn? Do they actually have micro corn futures? Get a micro bushel delivered to your house? You get the cocktail corn. Corn in the can. In my country, $100 buys you 3 wives. Oh my goodness. All right, quick little pee break and then I'm back. All right. I'm back. I see what you folks are saying now. Yeah, we got to figure out. PW and I are talking about when I'm gonna fly out to the BDH next month. Creeping up on us. I wanted to do like May 15th, 16th, but I think he's busy those days, so maybe like the 8th or 9th. We'll figure this out. Or maybe like the first week of June could be Saucedo. Am I gonna work out? Maybe, I don't know. Demand a private jet? Dude, a jet from Vegas to Miami's... One leg of that is probably like... It depends on the size. You could probably do like a Phenom 100 for like... 21,000 probably. I don't think he plays poker, but I'd be happy to teach him how to play poker. Dude, this market is so choppy and gross. This is disgusting. I don't like this at all. Sonic DJ says hello from Singapore. Hello. Well, hello there. This track is fire. I'm feeling this one. Got the guitar going and everything. We got 3.5 minutes now until the market opens. I don't think I'm going to be trading my Percy Jackson today. I think I'm just going to let it sit, do nothing. I got to maintain my perfect score on that thing. They're about to build a casino here in SC, close to me, kind of pumped. SC could be South Carolina. Right? South Carolina? It's got to be. Say that every day and then post a winning P&L on X. I know, but like I don't actually want to trade. I'm pretty tired after this weekend. I played a lot of poker. I played poker I think every single day. Did I play Thursday too? I think I played Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I played a lot of poker this weekend. And my recovery score is trash right now. I don't know why. I think it's because I ate so late. Had a great dinner at Cut last night with the wifey boo. It's awesome. Posted that. I always post on Instagram all the food stuff and lifestyle stuff, if you care about any of that crap. I never really post that much on Twitter. Twitter's more like just trading stuff. How much did you make or lose over the weekend? I think I made like $33.48. 33 bucks. After taxes, I think I lost like 1,253 cents. Got to come to the win in Boston. Oh yeah, no, I know. Boston Harbor, the win. It looks sick inside. It's like 2 stories. Did you see any WWE wrestlers? Yes. Carmelo, I guess is his name, was like walking with us to my car in valet. And like everybody's like taking pictures. I was like, I guess the stream is really blown up here. I've never seen this person in my life. But like people are like taking pictures and stuff and I'm like, this guy? Who? And we're walking through Fontainebleau after dinner. People are screaming. It's like, wow, the stream must be really blowing up. It must be insane. Wow, look at this market is pushing up now. Here we go, 45 seconds till Boomtown, ladies and gentlemen. See what this market has to give us here. Maybe a little pop and then a drop. Nvidia could go for a gap fill. Amazon, Microsoft, Meta could all go for a gap fill here. You just never know. Does anybody know the Carmelo person? I've never seen them in my life before. Yeah, definitely Ferrari film. I think I know somebody who knows him. I think. I'm not sure. I can't remember. All right, markets are open in 2 seconds. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Ding, 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 ding. Here we go. Bit of a pop. A little grind. Google off a cliff. Almost. Meta coming down a little bit here. We didn't make it over 150 in the NAS. What's going on in the S&Ps? S&P's kind of twiddling around 5260 right now. All right, I'm gonna try this. If we remain weak underneath 150s, I'm gonna keep this thing on. We have to remain weak underneath 150s though. Let's see. Watching 150s here. Are we weak at 150s or not? It's trying to push for it. Watching here at 150s. It's just underneath 150s. Doesn't want to retake it yet. So let's see if we can get this to hold weak underneath 150s here. So far, so good. Just need it to remain soft underneath 150s. A lot of overhead supply right at those 150s. So let's see if we can hold this. All right, there's your flash above 150. Can we hold? Yes, indeed. And then below 130s here, we should have that little flush. Let's watch for it. This would get cantankerously juicy. A little bit more? Okay. Just give me the juice below 130s, baby. That's all I want to see. Yeah, stopped out. Well, you know, some trade ideas work, some don't. We got stopped out on a little whipacito. Like a 35 handle whip. Cool whip. To the north side. Very tricky right now. Let's see if we tag that 4-hour open or not. Cool whip. It was a cool whip. 35 handle cool whip. This is just gross price action. Gotta be very quick with the clicks here. I wonder if now we barrel through those 130s. Doing a little price check here at 150. Let's see. Price check at 150. Can we hold? Meta somehow pushing off those lows a little bit. What is the S&P doing right now? Oh, S&P went for a little ride there. S&P looks like the opposite of NASDAQ. It's crazy. What a divergence we're seeing. Wild, huh? Still a lot of sellers. I'm gonna try this again. I want to add it like 170 if we get that perk up to like 170. And then if we flush 130s, dude, this thing should roll heavily because the S&Ps should be dragging it down. S&Ps are at a huge breaking point here at 5250. So if it does actually snap down here, this will be a big roll. It's trying to. No sellers at 140 though. Weird. Point of control just moved to 142. Can they go for the flush? Some sellers coming alive here. Watching here. I might have to move my stop a little bit tight here, but I like it a little bit. Not a whole bunch, because there's so much liquidity below us. We just need to cut through it. They're starting, yeah, I see that. We start to roll into it, and then they just start popping it right back up. All right, I'm coming out of that for a quick second here. See how high this wants to pop this. This is just a choppy mess right now. Choppy mess. Okay, there we go. There's some sellers on the tape. That's better. Real sellers on this tape. Now we have to get through these 135s and we can start to roll. That was some real selling right there underneath 155. Some actual sellers. See if they can hold this push. Watching. Good. There you go. More sellers there. And watch this tuck and roll through 135 now. Go for it. Without the bounce. What you doing, girl? What you doing down there? What the dog do? Go, push. There, 35s. Go right into it. There you go. There you go. Roll it, baby. There's a lot of stops that get popped and then like there's no offers. So we see these like weird, unruly bounces. But we should start to roll here. I mean, this should start to connect. It should. Should is the key word. We use that one a lot here. Go on. Don't be shy. Watching on these pops. Want to sell any of these pops here. Targeting like 82 or 87 and 3/4 here. That would be the target on something like this. Selling into any pops here. Show me potato salad. There you go, baby girl. Love me some potato salad. That's my favorite song, by the way. They call this the Potato Salad Wasteland. This guy's a moron. I know. Flush hundreds and we can, oh boy, can we juice like it's like Jamba in here. The old sell the pop trick. It works every time. I tell you what. Anybody catch this in their own accounts out there? Did anybody catch this beautiful flushecito where you are trying to stop out? Hello? There you go. Hi. Anybody catch that beautiful flushecito? I swear, there was not a single time where I said, hey people, look for longs. If you're trading with somebody who's telling you look for motherfucking longs, tell them to go suck your Sorry, that was vulgar for no reason. My apologies. Sometimes the words just come right out of my mouth. That was vulgar for no reason. Look at it, we got out of right the motherfucking perfect time, didn't we? Oh boy. We call that getting juiced up and boosted up like a Jamba Juice, baby. No hungry eyes here. Look at that cover too. I'd call that a delicious cover. Now I'm exhausted. I need a cigarette after that. My goodness. That was juicier than a Jamba, I tell you. Market's still looking heavy. Bro, I took my XFA to 12K in 6 days. Now I'm at 1,600. 1,600? 16,000. Dang, Coach Grizz, look at you. Go on now. Get on with your bad self. Get on with your bad self. I tell you, nobody reads that open like Ripsy Hustle out there. That's why I thought when they're screaming out Carmelo, I was like, that's not my name, Carmelo. Dude was wearing sunglasses and like a leather vest. He's kind of small too. 1,600? What? Why? What do you do that for? Use stop losses, man. Some music where you're like creeping around. Late night, looking for the speakeasy. Who's out there? I don't know. But I'm coming for you. This market sucks, I'm not gonna lie. It's no fun. You get what you can and then you just kind of have to sit and wait for another one. You know? When Shea Lele. People love Shea Lele. I mean, I'd have to be trading in my personal for some Shea Lele. This is like a saucy song with a little weather report. Well, I want to trade my Tradeify accounts too, and it's like my Rise thing ain't done. We're having trouble getting over 115, but I don't have any confidence left in a short here. Lito's Tilted says, song is turning me on. Well, most people do get pretty bricked up this early watching the stream, so you're not alone, my friend. Now I just think she's saying gibberish. Giveaway today? I don't know. You want to? I don't care. Leave it up to you folks. You know what? I'll do a giveaway if we have 800 likes right now. How about that? Let me check. Give me a second here. Oh, you folks, you're outdoing yourself today. 357 likes. Wow. Well, I'll lower my threshold. We get up to 600 likes. I'll do a giveaway. How about that? See, that's not English. She's going in between gibberish and English. The weather report today is 61 degrees. That's not English. Dude, listen, she was saying, she starts out with the weather report. Hold on. Just listen. She gives us the weather report, kicking off the song here.
21 degrees and sunny.
You see?
Just the way I always wanted.
All right. What? What is that? That's not English. That's Korean? No, it's not. Are you lying to me? 21 degrees and sunny with a chance of afternoon showers. Watashi wa nihongo ga wakarimasu. ¿Dónde está mi pelotas en mis pantalones, por favor? I don't know. She's going like all over. Rips and knees? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I don't understand this stuff. It's Spankorean English? Maybe. Vix is ripping? Let me see. She just... Gibberish, Eiffel Tower. Okay. Got it. Yeah, Vix is up. Not ad libs, but ad rips. I like it. Bro, if you're trading this right now successfully, hats off to you. There was one trade that I liked and we already took it, so. You know, the markets are kind of closed right now. Oh, wait, hold on. Here we go. President Trump calls on Powell to lower the interest rates. There's virtually no inflation. Preemptive cuts in interest rates are being called for by many, with energy costs way down, food prices, including Biden's aid. I love Trump. Food prices, including Biden's egg disaster, substantially lower, and most other things trending down. There's virtually no inflation. With these costs trending so nicely downward, just what I predicted they would do. There can be almost no inflation, but there can be a slowing of the economy unless Mr. Too Late, a major loser, lowers interest rates. Now! Europe has already lowered 7 times. His name for Powell is Mr. Too Late, a major loser. A loser. If you missed the Trump tweet market, I swear. Oh, snap, Willie, my guy. Rips, we love you. It's nice to see when you have a bias to the downside and Pro has the same. I'm up, locked out, the community's everything. My man, let's go. Give it up for Willie. My guy, Mr. Willie Ortiz. Way to go, buddy. That's on True Social. Mr. Too Late. Wait, hold on. Powell's always been too late. Too late with 1 O. Come on, buddy. You got to do 2 O's and too late, my friend. Dude, imagine like him just sitting there and he's like, hey, missed it too late. Yeah, this guy is insane. Most powerful man in the world. Mr. Too Late, a major loser. So good. Mr. Too Late, a major loser. All right, 600 likes. Did we get there? Come on, folks. I want to do this. That's not it. That's not the right button. Ignore the applause. You didn't do it yet. Dude, I love it. Trump is so funny. This is the we haven't received the likes music yet. We haven't received the likes yet music. What I meant to say. It's dyslexia. A little backwards there. And I'll give away whatever you want. I don't care. Whatever you want. Dealer's choice. Like I said, I made $84 this weekend. I got cash to burn. Economics go in cycles, by the way. The economy is going to go in cycles. The Fed already let you know that they're going to be cutting things, so things are going to get bad. Like, this is, by the way, what a bear market looks like. When the market does that's why it's like, sell any pops. That's what a bear market looks like. Now, here's the thing that makes this tricky to trade. You can sell any pops, and that works, but you have to be wary about, like, when we get low enough, and then people need to cover, and then there's no offers of people selling, so we just go right back up, and then smart money comes in, and then overhead supply comes in. It's an ebb and flow thing. We are cutting lower here. Jerome is a loser. If he cuts rates, we can refinance the debt. That's why Trumpy's after. Yeah, oh, I know. It's just the economy's got to come lower. We got to be trading 15,000 in the NQ, I think. That'll be the first cut. NQ will be trading 15,000, which is like kind of lame because the higher it goes, the more it moves for fewer percentage points. Math, I know. 70 more likes. We do a giveaway, folks. 70 more likes. Come on. An auction back up to 83 here would be lovely. Get back up to 83 and then slam it. That was a great song, by the way. Let's see if it wants 83, shall we? Rumps. Rips. Say Trump's line one more time in your dodgeball voice. I don't know what's the dodgeball voice. Which dodgeball character? Oh, did we just auction to 83 and reject? Did anybody catch that? Good for 13 points so far. If you're not greedy, 13 free points. Ah, gotcha. Trump got you again. Just when you thought you were safe. Ah. Welcome to the market, mother. Sorry. I'm not laughing at your misfortune. It's just the market we're in. You got to understand. This is the market we're in. Sorry. I'm sorry. Use stops in your markets. Use stops in your trading, please. If you needed to be reminded, there you go. Wait, did he just say another thing? Hold on. Did he just do that? Oh, don't tell me that's a new one. Oh, that's the same one? Okay. He's so funny. Grab that market by the... Could do that for sure. That blew my account. No! Gotta use stops, baby. There's a reason why I'm not in the trade after that. Like, we get the move that we're looking for and we don't get hungry eyes. It's hard for me to trust it when we don't have confident price action. The grind is what gets you. Mox says, I'm done for the day. Let's go, baby. He's locked up. Gonna let him out. How, what's your total profit there, Mox? Opal Mox. Order book looks very thin now. Oh man, let's just do a giveaway. We're at we need 51 more likes. 51 more likes, we do a giveaway, folks. 51. Come on, let's have something fun happen here. Rips, do you mark those levels manually or is it an indicator? It's an indicator, baby. Right there, you can get it for yourself for free. For free. Mox is locked out. They're gonna let him out. Thanks, darling. Oh, you're welcome, darling. Okay, 36 more likes and we do this. Just hit 3K profit on the first Apex 50K. Let's go, Mike. Yes, sir. Dude, 17,000. Let's go. Why are we doing the laughing emojis? Get that out of here. Why would this? Get the laughing emoji out of here. What's wrong with you people? The laughing emoji. Goosh. Goosh. Pass one account and 500 ways. Smooth Monday for sure. Let's go, baby. By the way, the only news that's coming out that's important today is coming out in 8 minutes. And if we don't get to 600 likes before 8 minutes, then there's no giveaway today, unfortunately. Oh, you mistakenly did it. You laughed at yourself. Up $888.88. Dude, that's a lucky number, my friend. That's ba 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 ba. Any Chinese? Potaqua? Any Mandarin speakers in here? Ba ba. What time frame is your book map on? Whichever one I zoom it to. So I can whatever I zoom it to. Wow, look at these sellers now. Look at me now. Sellers are going crazy here. Wow, S&Ps are breaking so hard. S&Ps are getting violent to the downside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This song is insane, by the way. What is this song? What in the world? This sounds like the Muppets on LSD. S&Ps are trying to break below 5230 here. Crazy to see this. Song is awesome. Keep it in regular rotation. Yeah, we just might have to. If 50s break, this thing is going to snap violently. Like violently. Because 5230s are trying to snap in the S&Ps. Muppets at the Speakeasy. That's what it is. Yeah, it's that episode. Muppets at the Speakeasy. Now this is like, oh, the NQ's getting you in trouble. You better watch out. Oh, wait, I've been invited to join Rise again? Wait, what? Oh, I already did this. Dang it. I thought that was gonna be the juice right there. Compliance team will be responded to within 24 hours. Okay, well then let me in, dog. What do you think happens on Tesla earnings? When is that? Is that this week? Let me look at the old whispers. Do. Tesla's tomorrow after the close. What else we have? We have Intel. Ooh, Google on Thursday. So Google and Tesla are, oh, and Lam Research, LRCX. What else important here? That's pretty much it. Intel, nobody cares about. IBM, nobody cares about. So Alphabet and Tesla this week, Tuesday and Thursday, respectively. Good stuff. All right, 4.5 minutes now until the March leading index. Ah! For the news, you're on Financial Juice or Benzinga. How about all of them? All of them, baby. If you want a free news source that you don't have to pay for, I recommend Trading Economics, which I will drop a link to in chat right now. There we go. All right, there's those 40s trading now. 50s gave out. Still very heavy market here. But we're running into the potential of a 10 a.m. reversal. 7 more likes. Let's go. Look at how many bids are down here. It makes me think like we're going to see like a pop at 10. Or a drop. Who knows? Dude, so much red in this market right now. Let me try like a little like pre 10 a.m. scalp. We'll wait. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Oh no! Came back just in time to see more Flushacito here. Oh my word. Holy! Nvidia is $96 right now. Oh my. We are rolling down. Rolling down. What's gonna happen at 10 here? We are closing. We're down to the wire here, folks. What's gonna happen? Can we break through 18,000? Do you think we can? What do you think? Go down for that 927? All right, so leading index is gonna be out here any second. The expectation is negative 0.4% is the expectation. We'll find out in 30 seconds what it all means. If we could break these 18,000s, this thing is gonna be super weak because then we're going for like 5,200 evens in the S&P's for cheesy. 67 contracts there. I think we can break through that. Here it comes, 10 a.m. Bingo, here it comes. Holy. Holy. Little flash below 18,000 there. Is it gonna hold below? Survey says minus 0.7%. Let's see if it hangs below these 18,000s. Let's see if it wants to like crater below this or not. If it does, it can get very speedy to like 927 or so. Dude, it's rolling fast now. Holy. It's like rolling. Oh my God. Like rolling. Jeez. If it breaks these 70s, oh my God. Oh, do we get the 10 a.m. reversal now? Let's see. It's getting spicy. If it breaks below these 70s, it's gonna crack. Like, it could get so spicy here. Do we find sellers at 70 or not? That becomes the age-old question here. Do we get sellers below 70s? Because if we do, then we get some spice. Some mega zesty spice here. Let's see. Seems like that little dip below 18,000 was like the lead into it. And then potentially, if those 70s crack, I think we get 927 here. So let's see. Can it go for the break of 70s? Seems to be the line in the sand that nobody wants to take us lower, below. Wait for it. It's going. Oh my goodness, it's going. 60s now? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my word. It's doing it. It's doing the dang thing. Ah! Sorry. That little break at 70s got me a couple dollars. $12,000. Yeah! Got him again! I'm sorry. You know what? My mother always used to tell me, son, you may be stupid, but you sure are a fucking retard. And I agree with her every time. I agree with her every single time. I'll never forget that. She always used to tell me that. Son, you may be f***ing stupid, but God, you are retarded. Break of 70s got us. Ah! The old break of 70s trick. Wow, that puts our account at $538,000. Oh, let me ask you something. Let me ask you a serious question. Because you folks are all here and we're all watching this together. What the f*** are these people doing watching these people who are like trading for like $200? What the f*** are these people out here doing? What is that? Dude's like trading like a $10,000 account. I made $200 today. Bro, what the f*** are these people watching? We just made $12,000 in less than 5 minutes. I mean, come on. What is that? You know what I mean? The hell? What are these people watching? I don't get it either. Somebody explain it to me. Why do people want to watch these dudes who are making like $200? Ugh, I traded my personal account today. I made $400. Buddy, you're not a fucking pro. $400, that's less than what I spent on my dry cleaning bill yesterday. I'm kidding. I just don't get it. What is that? What is that? feel bad for anybody who's like their first time tuning in. They're like, what the f is this guy doing? Actually, I don't feel bad. Welcome. Guys, I think Rip's... Oh, goodness. I hope that everybody caught that break of 70s. That was the juice maker. That was the juice maker, baby. Brian says, great damn day in my 5 accounts, up 582, 903, 653, 563, 504. First time in a few weeks, had them all green. Let's go. Thanks for the banger morning. I love you, buddy. Show him the meme? Okay, I got you. If you don't know, now you know. It's right there. How do you not know? Sorry. We're having too much fun here. All right. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. I think it's time. I think it's time to do a giveaway. Ah, good times. Sometimes I just hear that song, I get so bricked up. That's really just like my blue pill right there. You know what? I didn't have this $12,725 when I woke up. I clicked a couple buttons and I spent less than 5 minutes on a trade, and hey, there you go. How could I be mad about that? We're slowly creeping towards $600,000 profit. That's a fact, baby. That's a fact. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. I think it's time. High time we do a giveaway here, folks. Let me load it up here. Oh, by the way, on a more serious note, I know, let's get serious for a moment. I did post this on Good Friday, and it actually went viral. I think it's my most viral Twitter post. Right there. 108,000 views. 114 comments, 132 reposts, 875 hearts, 419 bookmarks. I think I might be posting more stuff like this because it's just like, it comes from... This is how you can tell whether or not somebody's been trading, right? There's a lot of people out there that are pretendo traders. They've never gone through it. They don't know what it's like, and they've never traded their own money. They have no idea what that's like. There's a lot of pretendos out there, but like somebody who's gone through it, they can draw from experience and they can share something from the heart and soul. So make sure, again, you're following people that can not only demonstrate something like this, but they can also speak pretty candidly about their experience from trading. I want you folks to have people that you're watching that make a lot of sense. There's so much garbage out there. Watch people that can make it happen, that have been through. This is my 11th year of trading. This didn't happen overnight. It may look easy in retrospect, but it's not. Promise. All right, giveaway time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What do you folks want? You want a free account, free month of MC? Let's do it. Let's do three winners today. 3 winners, very easy. Okay, very easy. I'm gonna have you. Yeah, trading is very hard. Dude, trading is very, very hard. If you think that this is easy to do, sometimes it looks easy, but this is not easy to do. This is not easy to do. That was a very specific setup I was looking for on that one, and I just got it. Just got it. You understand how hard that is to do? It's freaking impossible. All right, let's do this. Go ahead and go to this link right here. Since we did request a payout from Tradeify today, go ahead and click this link. It's gonna take you to Tradeify's homepage. And I want you to scroll down. Okay. And it says select your blank. Select your blank. Go ahead and type that word one single time in chat. Just once in chat is all you need to do. Type in that word one single time. and you are entered into the giveaway. It's that easy. It's that simple, baby. That simple. Yeah, just like that. Look at that. You folks got it. But yeah, I tell you what, this does not come easy. It may look easy from time to time. I actually get like, I had somebody, they're like, you make trading look so easy. I was like, dude, somebody on IG messaged me. Like, you make trading look so easy. It's like, dude, you have no idea. Like, it's not easy. Easy is the opposite of what this is. If I make it look easy, well, then don't be fooled. It's not easy. It's very difficult. All right, so if you win, you get to be picking between a free Apex account any size or a free month of MC. When I pass these TPT accounts, I'm going to give away some free TPT accounts because I just got to pass these things. It's just hard for me when I have a perfect setup. Like, look, and I'm just being real with you folks here. Like, I'm just being totally real with you here from my heart. And I don't think that you could fault me for this. And this is real talk. When I see a setup and I really like the setup, it's hard for me to take that in a prop account when I can do this in a real account. So that's the thing that makes this a little bit difficult right here. Like, we got a payout from Tradeify coming. We got Apex accounts. We got TPT accounts. It's just really, really hard for me when it's like, dude, there's $12,000 sitting on the floor right there. You can go and pick it up. Do you know what I mean? Like, I can bend over and pick up $12,725. I had like the motivation to trade a prop firm account when it's like just sitting there. Most, my grandpappy always said, if you see $13,000 sitting on the floor, you bend over and you pick it up. You know what I'm saying? That's what he used to tell me. So sorry if that upsets a couple people out there, because I know that people are like, why aren't you trading your prop accounts? Like, dude, I know. You should be, dude, somebody actually messaged me. I think it was on X. Somebody said, hey man, why aren't you trading more prop accounts? Why do you trade your personal on stream? You can't win. You just can't win. You just can't win. Your grandma used to say the same thing. It's crazy. We probably have a similar bloodline there. Similar bloodline. Very specific. You see $13,000 sitting on the floor, you bend over, you pick it up. All right, let's roll. First winner is, oh, by the way, got to be following me on X and Instagram at Selling Rips, only account. Go. Tennis Trader 34, you are the winner. Let's go, baby. Tell me, what is your name on X or Instagram? ¿Cómo se llama en Instagram o X? Por favor, dímelo, papá. Dímelo, papá. Por favor, ahorita. Buenos días. Oh, sorry. It's not up. My bad. There you go. Tennis Trader 34. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo se llama en X o Instagram? Por favor, ahorita. Porque necesito más giveaways en este mañana. Come on. Vamos. Okay, there we go. Yeah, next time don't put the at. But I love your username. Yeah, you do follow me. Give it up for Tennis Trader 34. All right, here we go. What do you want? You want a free Apex account? You want a free month of MC? It's your world, baby. We're just living in it. You tell me what you want. What you want, baby? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Dímelo. Free Apex. Okay, gotcha. Congrats. One free Apex. Any size. Okay, let me send you the coupon code so I don't forget. Okay, there. Douche. Okay, there you go, buddy. I sent it on your Ekis. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? That's Adam Sandler from They're All Gonna Laugh at You. Great album. Here we go. Travis Cook. You're in the building, my friend. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What you got? What you got? Travis Cook, let's go. What would you like? Free month of Instagram? Or would it be free Apex? How's it gonna be? JT Cook. Whoops, that's cock. 2121. There you are. Oh, this is my guy right here. I've talked to you before, haven't we? Yes, we have. Apex, coming at you hot there, brother. Hold on one second. Let me get it. Let me grab it. A fine choice indeed, sir. All right. You won last time, too. And you don't even have a green name. Look at you. Uh-oh, Scheinbaum did not release or did not reach an agreement in the latest call with Trump. Oop. That's why your market's rolling right there. Scheinbaum, president of Mexico, did not reach a final agreement with T-Rumps. When you're hot, you're hot. Amen. Let's go, baby. All right, third and final winner is going to Kemaro 34. 34. Kemaro. Kemaro. Kemaro 34. Vamos. Come on, let's go, baby. What you want? What you want? Market Club, I got you. Okay, but what's your username on Instagram or X? X. The music is playing. It's like getting me all silly. Congrats to our winners. Yes, indeed. Quemado. Yes. Sí, quemado. Don't put the @ symbol. How do you enter? Well, we talked about it about 5 minutes ago. How do you enter? Tune in tomorrow. We'll do another giveaway tomorrow. God bless Mexico. Just turned a bad day to break even. Let's go, baby. Okay, Maro, what is your username on Instagram or on X so I can find you and I can send you the coupon code? Because otherwise I can't. I'm gonna give you one more minute. Don't put the @ symbol. How many points do you usually target? Depends on the setup. If the setup is rich with potential of big downside rolling, if I'm short, I don't know why I'm only talking about short. Marunkim. Okay, I got you, buddy. All right, hold on. Let me make sure you follow me. Oh, they're back. There they are. This does sound kind of Arabic as well, too. You don't follow me, my friend. Bro. I don't know what's up with my focusing. It's like, hold on. Yeah, I don't know. It's not gonna focus. But you don't follow me, buddy. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. All right, I gotta re-roll. Third and final winner is Alex. Good name, by the way. Good name. Wow, we are really rolling. 5,200 started to give out there in the S&P, so we are rolling. Ole. Rompelo, por favor. Alex with the reroll W? Maybe, you never know. Alex could have left by now. He's got 30 more seconds to claim, or she. Rah. Ole. Scheinbaum is saying all sorts of nastiness. Water issues, EPA, blah, blah, blah. More nonsense. Sin el amor. Yes, it is you. Finally. 12 seconds to spare. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is it? What's your username, brah? What is it? Or brahette? Dudette or dude? What is it, man? Okay. On Eckies. Okay, let's see. Let's do the dance. And you do follow me, my friend. Buen provecho. Okay, what would you like? Congrats. 1 free month of MC or Apex? What would you like? MC, wow. Okay, well, congrats, 1 free month of MC. All right, everybody. I'm gonna go hang out in the Discord. Alex, I'll send you that coupon code in just a moment here. We're finishing up the day up 12,725 in our Percy Jackson. And then over in the other thing that we traded. Wait, what happened? Oh, okay, the song ended. I was like, what? What happened? And then in our trading, take profit trader, it is, where's the button for it? There it is, hello. Oh, we missed a couple puntos, didn't we? and take profit. We're at 17.95. Yeah, so like whatever that is, 17.95 times 4 plus 18.20, $9,000. Okay, and then in our Percy Jackson, we made 12,725. I think. What did we make? Let me just go to it. Zoop. 12,725. So we made a total of $21,725 today. Shillelele. All right, everybody. I'll see y'all tomorrow on X and on YouTube. Folks in Discord, don't go anywhere. About to have a party. Take care, everybody. I'll shillelele you tomorrow. Take care. Be good, everybody. Have fun. Be safe out there. It's going to be crazy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.